Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me once again. So it's Wednesday TV teardown and we have a Samsung. As you see on the back, we'll look at the model. Okay, here it is. We have a Samsung ue32h4510ak in white. When I picked this up, it spewed out like a kettle. Water was literally coming right out of it. It was raining. It was soaked. Okay, so we have some power now, and this is cracked all the way through, all the way around here. I did plug it in the other room. I did not get any picture at all. I did hear sound from the speaker, little beeps and that. And I was able to turn it off and on with the power button. So I think that's sellable. But let's have a look. Okay, this is the inside of the lid. This is the power button and the wire. I had to disconnect the wire just to get off the back. And that is connected to the IR, sorry. And there's the lead there, connects into the board. Okay, we're in the back now. And this is the power board. I know it's getting power, so I'll be happy to sell that. Though I did see a bit of light. We'll open it up like we normally do. The main board, I'm probably not going to sell the main board because I can't see anything through the screen. And as you know, the main wire cable I probably won't sell, and the inverters for my gold recovery. Testing the lights now. If you're affected, I'll let you know when it's off. Oh, they're not all lighting up. Maybe that's why they smashed it. Okay, give him a minute. Lights are off. Okay, so I will not be selling the LCDs. I did have trouble taking one of them off. Some of the LED covers come off, as you can see. One of them got stuck. I couldn't disconnect it properly and it snapped. So we won't be selling them. We can scrap it. We've got the base there to scrap as well. Not a problem. Okay, so this is what I am going to sell. The speakers here. I did hear sound coming from them. The power board, we did have power. The stand, which I did see on eBay for £30. The power button and the IR. Okay, this is what we're scrapping. Obviously the back base. The LCDs, they got us copper going through them. Usually it's Ali. But I'll look at that. We got the ribbon. I'm going to cut that. And I've cut the board connection cables. The wire will go with my wire. The connectors will go in scrap. And the main board, I'm going to put with some other TV boards for a future date. We might be able to use it. We might even have to strip it for parts. But we've got the gold ribbon there. The gold connectors on the ribbon. So I am hoping I can get some of this copper. I mean, I don't think I can. But you don't know if you don't try. This is my box of unlisted TV boards and a few parts. I strip them for parts, you know, donor bits and stuff like that. So I just thought I'd show you how I custom make some of my boxes, because we need to save money where we can. So get a bit of cardboard and I cut it down the sides, and on the side I don't want to fold, so I want it folding to the other side. And as you can see, bang, cuts nicely. And I just basically score it everywhere I need to fold around the board or whatever it is I'm wrapping up. So I just figure out where my folds are and I'll just cut it here and there and work out how it's all going to fold up. Who knew at my age would be doing arts and crafts? Blimey, not me. Have a cut along there will do it. So I can fold it down then. And basically the trick here is not to go all the way through to the other side, but just try and do it on one side. And that's it, nice and easy. Just hope that helps some of you guys out. Nothing too technical with the measuring, but as you can see, you just got to do the opposite side for the folds. Now I don't know if that's going to help anyone, but it saves us buying boxes because we need to keep it as cheap as possible. I think I'll just cut that bit off there and we should just about be done. Put it in there and then I'll put it into another box. It will, of course, all be taped down as well for security. Don't want it falling apart. But yeah, that's how I saved the money on the packaging. Not to worry, I don't plan on putting you through this packaging process again. It's just the once. And I think that's about it done. Yeah. Okay, so we're all wrapped up there. Bit of a bodge job, but it doesn't bother me. And I'll stick them into this box that you get from Amazon when you order stuff there. Love these little boxes. Just tape it around the top, around the bottom, and over the two sides. And I'll list this on EV through eBay, and they give you, if you go to a co-op or somewhere where they can print them off, you can get printable postage stamps or stickers or whatever you want to call it. And there you are, 4 packages, almost all ready to go, just to list, just got a box to stand, job done. Anyway, that's it. Please like, share and subscribe.